What's cooking, guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're making one of my favorite vegetables, which is Brussels sprouts, but with a roasted garlic and Parmesan flavor. These are great as a side or on their own, and they are done in minutes. Some of you asked me to do more vegetarian dishes, so this is a great option for my vegetarian friends out there. Subscribe before we start so you can join the foodie family, and now let's get cooking. So let's start by first preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have 16 ounces of Brussels sprouts, already washed and cleaned. If you can't find Brussels sprouts in your country, you can use any vegetable of your choice. I think green beans, asparagus, broccoli or cauliflower florets, and even regular old potatoes would be great with the seasonings I'm going to add. And I'm just going to be removing the little stem at the end of these and cutting these in half. Let's go over some of the benefits of Brussels sprouts. They are rich in antioxidants, they are high in fiber, and rich in vitamin K. They also have good omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for your heart and your brain health, and also these may help reduce inflammation. I love me some Brussels sprouts, whether oven roasted or sauteed in a pan. I will also be using one whole garlic bulb here, and I'm going to be cutting the whole thing in half after I have removed some extra peel off of it. You can set this aside for now, and we'll get back to it in a few minutes. So let's season the Brussels sprouts that I already cut in half. As I mentioned, these are 16 ounces. I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil here, like a tablespoon or so. Then I have some onion powder, about a teaspoon or however much you like. Then let's add some black pepper to your taste. I also will add some lemon pepper seasoning to get that hint of tang from the lemon rind. And then I have some red pepper flakes here, about half a teaspoon because these are spicy. And then some dried or fresh parsley, about half to 1 teaspoon. And then some Parmesan cheese, and I added about 1 tablespoon, or you can add however much you like. And then some salt, of course, to your taste. Keep in mind that cheese is a little salty also, so adjust the salt how you need to. And then mix everything up so the oil and the seasonings can get coated onto the Brussels sprouts. Now on an aluminum foil lined baking tray, I've already placed my whole garlic bulb I cut into half, and I'm going to be taking some olive oil and drizzling it onto the garlic. Give it a little grease to work with so it doesn't burn in the oven, and coat all the garlic cloves with the oil and set it on the tray. I also have my seasoned Brussels sprouts that I'm going to place on the tray and lay them out evenly so they get a chance to cook at the same temperature without overlapping each other. And now put this in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they are slightly golden brown and they look like they are tender enough. And after 20 to 25 minutes, look at how my Brussels sprouts are looking so wonderful. And I want to show you the garlic that has gotten nice and roasted, beautiful goldeny brown, and that has so much flavor, guys. I'm going to be squeezing out the garlic cloves from the peel, which comes out so easily because that garlic has really gotten soft and tender and has that wonderful roasted flavor on it. Once you take out all the garlic from the peels, you can transfer it onto a plate for serving. So here's my beautiful roasted garlic and Parmesan Brussels sprouts. I sprinkled some more Parmesan on it because there can never be enough cheese. I really hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy recipe. This is a great side, as I mentioned, and I like to eat it on its own too, as they have so many great health benefits. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. It really helps me out here on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.